This is a Millennium Falcon Decopac. Lucasfilm Limited, LFL. Lucasfilm Limited. Millennium Falcon. Here's a button. I would say this is probably 8 long, 8 inches by 6, maybe 6 high. Let's check it out. Woo! Wow, it looks even better in the... That actually looked better on film. It's getting the lights than seeing it in person. Wow, look at that. Number three. It takes those 3 little button cameras. Here you can see it. I didn't put the cover back on. And there's a speaker. See the holes? Yeah. And then it says Decopac, Lucasfilm Limited. That's the bottom, top, cockpit, satellite, the exhaust. No, I don't know what these are. The batteries usually go in the big Falcons. All right, let's do it again. Going all the way in here. I love that delay. Does a delay. And there you have it, folks.